Hi friends, tonight we're going to make waffles for dinner, and I'm going to be using my new Pampered Chef waffle plates. So we're going to make them from scratch, just a basic waffle mix with flour and eggs and sugar and baking powder and salt. So let's go. I'm making a double batch, so I'm doing 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt. If you want to have just a normal size recipe, just half all of this. We always make plenty. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 4 eggs, and 3 1/3 cup of milk. There's 2. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And last but not least, 1 stick of butter. Loaded up both of my Pampered Chef batter mixers. So let's cook. Okay, so I've set my temperature to 375, and now I'm just going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so now it says add, means it's ready to go. Ooh, yummy.